Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire and I am at the launch of Huawei Nova 3 and Nova 3i here. So this is how Nova 3 looks like. So both the phones are launched for a target audience who want a phone in a mid-range category and a little above the mid-range, I think so. Although I am really liking the Nova 3, how the looks and the design of it. In this video, we'll see the first hands-on of Nova 3. So looks are really nice and premium. I am in love with the back of the phone. Color gradations are really seamless. This is the new iris purple variant. It also comes in a premium black shade. So here the mix of blue and purple is really nice. And the other highlight of the phone is the AI cameras. So AI cameras are there in both the front as well as back cameras, and the phone has quad cameras. That means 2 at the back and 2 at the front. After that we come to the screen part. The screen looks grand and massive. It's a 6.3 inches full HD full view display screen. The aspect ratio is 19.5:9 and it is around 83% of screen to body ratio. You can see the phone is quite bezel-less and it has a 3D curved glass at the back. Then there is this notch formation on the top in which the earpiece and the 2 front cameras are placed properly. Talking about the colors are really nice and vibrant. Touch response is good. Viewing angles are decent. So the EMUI version is 8.2 and Android version is 8.1. It runs on high silicon Kirin 970, which is a really good and a strong processor, in which you can do a lot of multitasking, play high-end games and all. Also talking about games, it has GPU Turbo, which is quite new in India. It gives a total great immersive gaming experience, you can say. Along with that, it has a 3750 mAh battery which runs like for one and a half days very easily. The RAM is 6 GB and internal storage is 128 GB. You can expand through a micro SD card. This is a hybrid SIM slot in which you can expand till 256 GB. The face unlock is quite strong. It works in really low light conditions as well. So you can play around with a lot of bokeh images. It captures really nice bokeh pictures. Along with that, this new feature also has been added in collaboration with Amazon, which is AI shopping, in which you can just click a picture of a product which you're looking for, or you can search for the QR code. You can directly guide you towards shopping of that product on Amazon. Flash, moving picture, AI cameras. Let's come to the front camera. Front camera is a 16 plus 2 megapixel camera. The 2 megapixel is a depth sensor. You can see I'm against the light. Then too, my facial features are quite visible and sharp. It's because of the AI camera. AI camera has a lot of scene detection. AI camera detects lots of scenes, like 22 scenes could be detected, different people, beach or landscape and all, and it can adjust the settings accordingly. So we have heard about AI cameras, but generally AI cameras are there in the rear camera setup, but now it is there in the front camera as well. And of course there are portrait settings with which you can click good portrait selfies, bokeh effect selfies, and there is HDR Pro as well, in which you can do all do photography in very low light conditions as well. Let's run through some of the pictures I have just clicked. You can see really nice and crisp the colors are. At times I feel the color is a little oversaturated, although I love this shot in which there are a lot of colors, and it has automatically detected that this is kind of a garden or a plants setup, and it has made the settings accordingly. This is the Amazon exclusive product, and it has been launched at a price range of 34,999, 6GB plus 128GB variant, and will be available from 23rd of August. This is it for this video. I'll be back soon with another tech video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.